Hindi ko kaya yan. Hindi mataba ang utak ko. Matanda na ako para dyan. Stop. Those are limiting beliefs that holding you back. Good news, pwede mong i-rewire ang utak mo. Hindi ito magic. It's mindset plus practice. Awareness is power. Alamin mo muna kung ano yung negative thoughts na paulit-ulit mong sinasabi. Limiting beliefs holding you back. Kahit simpleng daily habits, over time, your brain builds new pathways. Rewiring your brain doesn't happen overnight, ha? Kailangan consistent. Parang nag-exercise ka, nag-gain ka ng muscle, ganun din ang brain mo. Kahit 5 minutes a day of positive actions build new pathways. Remember, your brain believes what you tell it. If you want success, speak life into your mind. Today, choose to rewire your brain kasi what you believe, you will achieve. More tips? Follow me, Kimberly Campado, your financially smart mama.